everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and I had a request to do some demonstrations of these dies and stamps that I got from ELLE'S studio. So I am going to do that for you guys in this video. I ended up grabbing a bunch of supplies. I've got lots of inks off camera here. I'm going to try to do a little bit of tone on tone. So if you have a matching cardstock and similar ink colors, you can see what the tone on tone looks like. And then I'm going to be stamping on white a bunch. And we are going to test out these label stamps. So the basic set is the label stamps and the dies that match from ELLE'S studio. And then they have add-ons. So we've got a lined set and also a stars set. So we will be just, grabbing some, stamping around with those. And then I thought, while I'm doing this, we might as well test out some numbers as well. So we're gonna play around with these numbers also. I'm gonna set the numbers aside for now, and we are going to just start inking and stamping. I'm going to just start with the dies for now. We will try a little bit of everything, and since these are brand new out of the package, the first stamp of each one may be a little bit different. I'm rolling up the sleeves. I'm going to pull my hair back. We are ready to do this. All right, so let's go ahead and put our craft mat down. This is just a backdrop, and I don't want it to get inked up. I'm going to be using the Tim Holtz craft mat here. I've got a stamp cleaner, which I will spritz. Let's see. And this is just an old Stampin' Up! One. I don't think they even make this kind anymore. And then I've got lots of inks to choose from. I'm just going to set them all here. I've got some Stampin' Up!, some Memento, some Fawn, lots of different things over here. I've got a block. And let's start with the tone on tone, because I have this pool party paper from Stampin' Up! And I've got the matching pool party ink and also a Coastal Cabana, which is a little bit darker. We're going to just do some of these on here. I happen to really like this sized label with the little cutouts. So I'll do quite a few of those, and then a couple of the bigger ones to do journaling. I don't know that I'm going to stamp everything. Ooh, see, I think those might be too close together and they might not cut out very well. I pulled out two really neutral beigey type colors that I think would go with a lot of things. I've got Memento Desert Sand and then also Stampin' Up! Crumb Cake. So I'm going to do a few of each of these. I've already done these two, so let's do some of the lined ones. I feel like the bigger ones with lines will be something I would grab a lot, especially like even just the circle one with lines is super cute. See, it's not making contact in that middle spot on this one. So, okay, maybe this one has the same problem where they're like skewed. Yeah, so looking at this one and this one, it looks like they were squished. I think there's a spot. Yeah, so that's not good. I'll have to talk to them. I think I got a flawed set for this one. I was like, why are they not working? Let's see, I thought it was all user error, but this set got squished. I'll have to write to them about this one. So yeah, some of those are not working the best. All right, let's move on to do some stars. I'm thinking like doing a couple like the smaller ones for this, like just for a date. And some of these I'm not gonna cut out, so I'm gonna try to squish in a few of these more. Super cute. I was having real trouble with that lined set. I really thought it was me, but it was not. All right, while I was cleaning up, I forgot I didn't stamp any of these guys, so I'm going to grab a couple more inks and stamp these really quick. I've got to get more paper. And then we will do that real quick. Ooh, so you gotta be careful with these ones. Press down a little too hard on that one. These would be cute. You could cut them out from cardstock. And they would be cute with different colored cardstock. That's what I meant. They'd be cute with different colored cardstock. Here's the black outlines. They look good all on their own, honestly. And then some people do the solid thing a little off kilter to make it look like a shadowy type thing. And some people try to do it right on. And either way, it looks pretty cool. So we'll just try a bunch of different things and see what happens. Pretty good. I like that pretty well. Okay, and then this one I'm going to do a little bit off track. Intentionally off. Oh, that is kind of cute like that. Okay. I'm going to do one without an outline first for just like stripe purposes to see what it looks like. Yeah, I do actually like the outline. So for that, you wouldn't cut that out using the dies because they are off kilter too much. But it would be cute to just stamp them like that on a title. That is it for stamping numbers. I'm going to clean this back up and get my Big Shot stuff ready, and then we'll start cutting. This is the magnetic platform. This is the Stampin' Up! One. You know you can get it other places now. I'm trying to see which one is flatter. These are like used up. You can tell they've been used a ton. I'm trying to get the flattest one so I can hopefully just line it up with the magnetic platform, but sometimes the magnets won't line up exactly right. So if they don't line up very well with the magnets, if they try to be off center or whatever, I do have washi tape, and I find that like the metallic washi tapes tend to not stick as strongly. So I like those ones. Pretty good. I would try to do that again because it's a little bit off kilter at the bottom there, but pretty good. And then here's the 2. And again, I'm a little bit off the line. It's gonna be a learning curve, I'm thinking. The 4 was pretty spot on there. No, not true, crooked. It needs help. And then the 7, again, like to the side there. So that would be something I would have to practice because I don't like it when they're all to the side like that. Kind of bugs me. So I would redo those until I got them right. The dies line up really well with the numbers. So I'm gonna do another 5. The alignment of the cut and the backing are a little bit off. Like this is right at the line of the cut and this one's not. So I would want to line up this part exactly with the That lined it up a little bit better maybe. It's a little bit more even around all the sides, except the top little line. This part was way off, and this one looks more centered. So I would be happy with that one. Okay, moving on for that, we'll go ahead and do labels now. That's one thing about these dies that I do not like. I do wish that they came like already trimmed, especially like this. I don't like having to trim inside them. And when I had a stamp company, it was a lot more expensive to have it done to where they're loose pieces. So I get why it's a cost saving thing. Because I mean, these dies are very expensive to purchase in the beginning. So it'd be even more if they were separate pieces. So I understand why stamp companies do it because I was on the other end of it, but it's still annoying. All right, here we go. We're gonna slice out some of these guys. Look at that. Yeah, I love the little perfect white little edge. It's a little bit off center on this side, but that was the side that was up against the edge of the paper, so that's not a big deal. Let's go ahead and look at this one too. I'm not gonna cut out all these on camera, of course. I'm just gonna do, ooh, see, that one is ripping. Oh no. I pulled it too fast. Don't rip, little buddy. It did rip that little bit. Gotta go low and slow. Okay. And then the next time using this, they won't hold on as strong. Oh, look at it. That looks so good. So yeah, these are gonna be exactly what I was hoping. Let's do some little ones. Oh, and you know what? I can't do teeny tiny ones unless I get the clippers out. Okay, I'm gonna clip it. So I don't know if bind it all is still a thing, but I still have my bind it all wire cutters. That's what I end up using. And get in there, and sometimes I've had to borrow my husband's if they're like too close together. I have to borrow his because they have smaller little point things. Super cute. Very cute. I did rip the paper a tiny bit on that one. I would still use it. It didn't rip the ink part of the paper, it just ripped the white part. That one. Yeah, these are turning out really, really cute. And these are the two that I had already used the washi. So I'm hoping the washi wouldn't be as sticky. It is still sticking. There's the little star one. That one came out really well. And last little one. Yeah, it wants to rip around the top. So cute. Okay, they're doing good. I want to do a few of the ones that are my favorite size, and then also one of the tone-on tones. Let's see, we'll do a few of my favorite sized ones. What I'm realizing is if you're gonna do a bunch of these, you should probably do a bunch of variety on the same sheet like this, to where I could use multiple dies at the same time. Whereas this, I'm gonna have to run it through one at a time because I only have one of these dies, but all these ones are the exact same stamp. So that makes it a little tricky. Because that'll be like running it 20 times through the same exact, same exact die. So it's better to stamp a variety per sheet. Here's that one. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. I'm gonna be using a ton of these guys. So that's really cool. And then let's do a tone on tone one to see how it looks. And then I think that's gonna wrap this up. I've been in here for like an hour playing with these. Let's do a smaller piece of washi. I've been having way too much fun in here. Oh yeah, I like the tone on tone, even though I got that one a little bit off on the edge. See, this edge is a smaller edge than that. But otherwise, I think that's a good technique. So there you go, lots and lots of dies. I'm gonna move this out of the way and then we will talk about it for just a minute. All right, so we've got quite a few dies out here. Quite a few labels already made. I think these will be great on a scrapbook page. I'm super psyched about it. And now, you know, if I have my little sheet, I'll put these with my doodads and embellishments and things for this month's kit. And then when I need a yellow one, I could just run it through the Big Shot really quick and cut out the yellow one as needed, or cut out the other colors, and I could just have these with me. Or I can just one day come in here, rock out to some music, and just cut them all out rapid fire. But they are super cute, guys. I really, really like them. The numbers, I feel like, are gonna be harder for me to line up. I could already tell. I was having issues lining them up perfectly, but I love the way that they look, and I love the stripes, and I really, really liked the ones, here's my sheet. I was looking for my sheet. I really, really like doing it like this too. I wouldn't be able to cut it out with the trimmer, so I'd have to like make my own title or just stamp it on a, you know, if I'm only using one number, I could make a circle and stamp it on the circle or something. But I really like that look. I wasn't sure I would really like it, but I think it looks really cool like that. And also these ones would be really cute too. The double stripes look really, really good together. And then I'm just super impressed with these. I think I will get a lot of good use out of these. I do have to contact them because I did have trouble with some of these lined ones from that set. There are definitely some flaws in that stamp set. I just got a messed up one. But otherwise, I am really impressed. I really like them, and I had a lot of fun in here playing around. Even the tone on tone looks really, really good. I like the dies. I think they're really great to go along with those stamps. So there you go. Lots of labels, lots of number options, and I'm thrilled with it. So I hope you guys like this little demonstration where I just got in here and got a little bit crafty. I have all these labels now at the ready, and I'm just really happy with them. You can see the flawed ones there. That striped set, or lined label set, was a flawed set. But these ones look like, these circle ones stamped so good. I was really impressed with the way some of these ones stamped. Anyway, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. I will leave a supply list down below for you guys so you can check out the items I used today. And I will catch you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.